Hey, this is Andy from Notch. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start using Notch to create ads for your clients inside of HighLevel. If you're seeing this video, you may have already installed the Notch app from the HighLevel app marketplace, but if not, just search for the Notch app and click Install. When you install the app, we automatically create a corresponding workspace for each account in Notch. That includes your agency workspace. Your sub-accounts won't have any visibility into what's going on here, so this is a great place to play around with the app and get familiar. After you install, go back to HighLevel and look for ad boards in your sidebar. You may have to refresh the page to see it. Click on ad boards to access the Notch app. We call it ad boards to make sure that the app is completely white labeled for your clients. When you're in the agency view on HighLevel, you'll have full access to the Notch app and the ability to switch between workspaces for your agency account and any sub-accounts you have the app installed for. Okay, it's time to start making some ads. To get started, you'll need to tell Notch the product or service you want to advertise. There are multiple ways to do this, but the easiest is probably just to click on Generate Ads down here on the home screen. This will walk you through the process of adding your first product or service, and it'll also make some starter ad concepts for you automatically. Once you've generated some ads, it's time to start sharing them with your clients for review. To do this, we need to save ads to a board. Any ad that you save to a board will be visible and reviewable by users in the connected sub-account. To save an ad to a board, just click the bookmark icon on the ad card and either save to a new board or an existing one. I'll save a few ads here. You can view your boards in the admin view by clicking on the boards item in the side nav. This is what my clients will see. Okay, so you've saved some ads to a board and now you want to share them with your client. Head over to the account switcher in HighLevel and switch into the sub-account view that you want to share with. Click on the Ad Boards item in the sidebar. And this is what members of this sub-account will see. So I can click into this board. All you need to do now is copy the link and share it with them. And that's it. You are now ready to create and share ads to review with your clients. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us using the help widget inside the Notch app. Thanks for watching and happy ad making.